Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahirah Jahari, doctorate student, the first year. Okay, for my presentation, today I will give a brief introduction about my country, my university, and also my undergraduate and master research, and about a little bit about my research plan here. Okay, this is my country. I came from Malaysia. Okay, from 1957 we already have 6 prime minister until today, and Malaysia we have a lot of community or ethnic, but here we can see the 5 main ethnic in Malaysia. This is some of the agriculture product that we have in our country. The first one is palm oil, rubber, paddy, the pineapple and banana, tea, and also papaya. This is my hometown, Malacca. Malacca is known as a historical state in our country. This is my previous university, which is University Putra Malaysia, located in Serdang, Selangor. During my undergraduate study, I have to do a small final year project. So this time, at that time, I do about the agarwood chips grading. This is an example of the agarwood tree. The infected tree will have a resin. They will extract the resin and put into the perfume. So the perfume will long lasting. Normally, they grading by using manual eye inspection from some expert people. Okay, according to them, they grading based on the color. The darker the wood, the higher the price is. And second one is, if the higher price of chips put into the water, it will sink. But for the lower price, it will float. So from based on their we try to get the correlation between the density and also the gray level value, and compare with the grades that they use manually. In this study, we found that gray level value give more good result compared to the density. So further study have been done by the other student regarding the agarwood chips grading. Next is my master research. During my master research, I do about local similarity measure approach for forest monitoring. Local similarity measure approach is one famous technique in medical imaging field. They use this technique to detect tumor in brain. So we try to apply this algorithm into the environmental study. We try to detect the change area in the forest. For example, in here we have 4 areas. This is in Matang Mangrove Forest, Perak, Malaysia. For example, for image A and B is the same area, but the difference is image A taken by satellite image on 2005, and image B is taken in 2007. We overlap both image and do using this algorithm to detect the change area. This is the final output of my research. This is a GUI using MATLAB. So the user just input 2 satellite image. Then this program will detect the change area. It detect the change area, and after that they identify whether the change is because of the plant growth or plant loss. Normally this have been used in our forest in Matang forestry to detect whether the area mangrove area have been cut or not. Okay, for the my research plan here, I'm considering to do the recognition system of a sweet pepper pigment in greenhouse. As we know, pigment is in green color. Is quite difficult to recognize the fruit in the green plant environment. Okay, I want to use the monospectral technique to develop image processing algorithm for sweet pepper detection, because monospectral technique can deal with the similar color in that environment, and then localize the fruit target in 3D space, which is to detect the right part to harvest, so we can get the smooth stem end appearance. Okay, this is a preliminary experiment plan. First, I want to get the monochrome near infrared image, and then do the image processing algorithm, which contain 4 steps. First, the region partition, then do the threshold segmentation, noise filtering, and feature recognition. But I have to discuss with Kondo Sensei about this project first. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Question? Comment? I think we already have some research on sweet pepper, green pepper, to discriminate the fruits from the other parts, such as the leaves and the stems and the backgrounds. And still, we did that, and also some other researchers are now continuing at the Shikoku. So you have to learn more. You read some papers.
I'm not sure I understand the result of your master research. I understand the topic, but I don't see any result. What is the result endpoint of the project?
This is the final result, which means here the image before and after, and then locate the change area. This is a change and unchanged area, which means the white pixel is the change area, and the black pixel is unchanged area. And then after that, we identify whether the change area is the plant growth or plant loss. For example, here we can see this is the area that the plant is growth. But this one, this one is the area that plant loss.
The plant loss due to the loss of habitat or human?
Human.
So
this area is mangrove forest area. They normally harvest for the tree. We try it because if we do in the forest that we don't know the condition, it's quite difficult to get the data. So we use the forest that we know what happened to that area.
I'm not sure, because we were very interested in plant imaging, in our company before. What that means is that when the forest disappears, there's no plant regrow.
This is a
become bare land.
Bare land, and then after 2 or 3 months, they will plant again.
Okay, so image is between harvest and the next plant. And what is the number 3?
This one.
Yeah.
This is for the accuracy. This is the reference map. We want to test whether our technique is good or not. So this is the reference map, and this is our result. So we overlap and see whether the result is good or not.
What's the size of the area you're talking about? How many hectares are you talking about? Roughly.
But I'm not sure. I'm sorry, I will check. And
A related question. Could you go to slide 3, please? You mentioned many places. I would like you to point out
okay.
where your university is,
Oh,
where are you from?
I'm from Malacca.
Right.
Okay, and my university is here, Selangor. And Selangor.
Where's KL?
Here is in Selangor. And our government building, Putrajaya, is also located here.
Here's the Kuala Lumpur.
Here, in Selangor.
Oh.
It's a small place in Selangor.
You have to learn about the Malaysia.
Oh, the mangrove project, where was that? The mangroves.
Mangrove
Yes.
in Perak. Here.
Where? So fast.
Here.
Out there.
Perak. They have a lot of mangrove there.
And why do they cut them down?
For the pork, charcoal.
Firewood.
C-H-A-R-C, charcoal.
For making a barbecue with
Yeah.
Charcoal.
Yeah.
charcoal.
And also for the
So you need the energy. Energy. Any other question? Hopefully a little bit bigger size letter. Easy to read. It's okay? Okay, thank you very much.